guys, welcome to this week's lunch meal prep video. So I'm going to do a keto stuffed chicken this week, and I've been doing a lot of stuffed chickens lately in the oven, so I'm going to link all of the ones I've done in the past into the description box on this one. So check out my past stuffed chicken recipes. So for this week, it's going to be a pizza stuffed chicken. So I have chicken breasts, I have pepperoni slices, mozzarella cheese, pizza sauce, and then I'm going to do a side of broccoli. And then on the broccoli, I'm going to toss it with this roasted garlic vinaigrette. So I will put the recipe for this in the description box, so check that out. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss my other videos. I do weekly breakfast and lunch videos. Most of them are keto friendly, so check those out, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you get the notification. So I'm going to show you how I put the stuffed chicken together, and then we'll bake it in the oven with the broccoli. And right now I do have the oven preheating to 350 degrees. Okay, I have my 2 chicken breasts. I'm going to fly them open. So I'm going to cut it through the middle, and I'm going to leave it so that it's not cut all the way through so that we can close the chicken after we have all of the toppings inside. So I'm going to use 2 chicken breasts, like I said, and then I'm going to cut it in half so that it's portioned for the meal prep for this week. So the first thing I'm going to add is the pizza sauce. So I'm going to drizzle that on, and then I'm going to spread it around evenly. And then I'm going to add in some shredded mozzarella cheese next. So I'm going to put that on top of the pizza sauce on both of the chicken breasts. I'm going to add a few pieces of pepperoni to each chicken. I love this pre-sliced pepperoni. It's really convenient to have for these stuffed pizza chicken breasts. So then I'm going to put the chicken back together, and I'm going to make sure all of the stuffing stays inside. I'm going to pin it with a toothpick so that it all stays together while we cook it in the oven. And after it is all pinned together, I'm going to cut the chicken in half so that it's already portioned into our 4 portions for meal prep for this week. So once I have the chicken in my Pyrex baking dish, I'm going to add some more pizza sauce on top. I'm going to spread that out a little bit, and then I'm going to add on some more shredded mozzarella cheese. So in the same baking dish, I'm going to add in my broccoli, and I'm going to drizzle the broccoli with the roasted garlic vinaigrette. It's Kraft brand. I love this on my veggies that I roast in the oven. So I'm gonna drizzle that on, and then once the broccoli is ready to go, I'm gonna put this all in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes at 350 degrees, and then our lunch will be ready for the week. Alright, so the pizza stuffed chicken is cooked and it is cooled now, so I'm going to portion it into my meal prep containers. These are the ones I love that I got off of Amazon. I will link them in the description if you want to get these. They're glass, So of course they're microwave safe, freezer safe. These are just great to have. So I'm gonna put a piece of the chicken and I'm gonna put some broccoli as well into each container, and our lunch will be portioned out for the week. All right, lunch is all portioned out, ready to go. A super healthy pizza stuffed chicken, so it's keto friendly this week. Check the description for the recipe for this one if you want to make it. Don't forget to click subscribe so you don't miss my other videos, and click the bell icon next to subscribe so you get that alert whenever I post a new video. I hope that you have a great day. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.